Welcome to our series on what a business leader needs to know about technology and cybersecurity. Today, we will be discussing the Triad. No, it's not a mafia group or a trident, but it is a three-pronged principle. This is the core tenet of everything related to cybersecurity. This is the prism you should be looking to when it comes to how the information flows within your organization. And whether you're just a single entrepreneur just getting started or a mega corporation, everyone you deal with, every person in your company should be familiar with this principle. So welcome to the world of the CIA. Hey everyone, I'm John with the Business Samurai. I've been in tech for over 20 years, running multi-million-dollar projects for places like the Department of Defense. Served over 100 clients in a very wide range of industries, including a few 9 and 10-figure organizations. I've not seen everything. I don't think anybody has, but I've definitely seen a lot. I am all about improving your cybersecurity and technology through better business operations. And if you'd like to see more technology-related content aimed for business leaders without all the techno wizardry or techno mumbo jumbo, just help me out down below. Now, let's get into it. Number 1, confidentiality. Are only the people that are supposed to have access to the information the only ones that actually have access and at the right level? And how do you know? Who has the principle of need to know when it comes to either specific projects in the company or the functional areas? And a great example of that would be your accounting system and your accounting team. I am sure not everyone in your company has access to all the financials of every single thing. And if you're large enough, you may even separate out those roles, such as you may only have a single person or a team that's just responsible in accounts payable for paying the bills. That is the only area that they have access to when it comes to the data. Now, you also may have somebody doing the most important role of your company, and that's the only thing that they do, which is payroll. They're siloed into that. Now, if you apply those principles of segmenting out those roles to the rest of your business and get rid of all of those gigantic file shares that the entire company has access to, you've dramatically reduced your threat level midnight. So get it fixed. Number 2, integrity. Is the data being received accurate, and can you verify that? For those of you as old as I am, did you ever receive a handwritten report card? I know you remember you had all your subjects lined down and you had certain letters of the alphabet. And one of the worst parts is you had to go show it to your parents, have them sign it, and bring it back to the teacher. Anybody here? Show of hands, who remembers? Anybody here ever tried to turn a D to a B? Be honest now. Probably a couple types of integrity at play there. Data integrity is getting things from person A or point A to person B or point B, and they have the info be the same, that it's not changed during that transmission process. So you have to be able to verify that. That's data integrity. Pretty easy, right? If you're finding these principles super simple to understand, and from a business perspective, this makes sense, do me a favor and put CIA in the comments below. Number 3, availability. This is the final principle in our CIA Triad. You've got your info locked down. Only the right people can see it, and only the right people can modify it. And that's well and good, but it's no good if you can't get to it when you need to. So we've got a principle called the 5 nines. And the 5-9 principle is one of the primary reasons why cloud data centers have risen in popularity over the last several years. If something is being rated as being up 99.999% of the time, then you will only experience 5 minutes and 25 seconds of downtime per year. Just changing the 99.999% down to 99% available means you go from that 5 minutes of downtime to over 3 days of downtime per year. And this is important because now if you're hosting internally, how reliable are your systems? Do you know how much an hour or a minute of downtime can cost your company? And if you don't know that, I have a link down below. You can go to a website and try to calculate that true cost. Now, here's a quick recap. CIA is the core tenets of cybersecurity. You want all 3 of these pieces working in harmony like a great band. My experience working with all the clients I have over these many years is we struggle more with the confidentiality piece of the puzzle, particularly within the same organization. Managing those roles and those access levels can be extremely tedious. People come and go, old access is not turned off, and those finer granularities of rewrite only, edit, stuff like that does not occur at the level it needs to. So go get with your team and ensure you have some rules of engagement. Now you are CIA trained. Go hit the range. Let me know in the comments, what other technical or cyber related info do you find to be confusing from a business perspective? You want to know how it drives value within your organization. What technical wizardry would you like to be explained in a value added business term? Or if you're watching this and you're already hands-on in the tech and have been for years, what's that one thing you wish your non-technical manager, owner, business leader that you wish that they would understand better? Do me a favor, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to know more about managing data, then you may find this video to be helpful.